Meaning of glyph.
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 Glyph. A glyph is a graphical symbol that represents a character or a specific meaning within a writing system. It can be part of an alphabetic, syllabic, or logographic writing system, and it may represent a single sound, syllable, word, or phrase. Glyphs can be found on various surfaces, such as paper, stone, metal, or digital screens, and they can convey information in different forms, including text, images, or emojis. Different languages and cultures have their own sets of glyphs, which can vary in shape, size, and style, making them important tools for communication and expression.